Okay, today I am going to show you the first part of making a chips bag. As you can see, I have designed my bag. You can kind of see the fold lines here. So I'm going to go ahead and print it. And I'm printing on Office Depot glossy brochure paper. Obviously, I have my page size set up for 8.5 by 11 because that's, regular printer paper size, or in my case, brochure paper size. Okay, it's processing and printing. Now you can set this up in any graphic program. I like using Silhouette Studio. So here comes the chip bag. Don't touch, sweetie. Don't touch. Don't touch. Alright, as you can see, I have a white border around it. I am going to trim that up with my paper cutter. Not sure if I can actually do this with holding the phone. I'm just going to pause it and show you when I'm done. Alright, it's all trimmed up. As you can see, the border on one side is a little ripped up because my cutter's not that sharp, but I'm just going to have that be on the underside. So I have my chip bag. I'll flip it over and put it in the center, and then I'm gonna pre-fold it kind of to the middle. So it's gonna be like this. I'm gonna kind of harden my fold so I know where to fold. Okay, now I'm gonna glue my bag. I have a hot glue gun. And hopefully you're still in the picture. Gonna run a line of glue right along this edge right there. Because that's the messed up edge, so we want to cover that. Alright. Let's try not burn our fingers. And just line up the top and the bottom. And press. And then we're just going to run some glue on the top and the bottom. And press that together. There. Now same on top. I don't recommend taking the chips out of these bags just because, as you know, chips are oily and have all kinds of other things that, depending on what you're using, may stain your fingers, and we don't want a big mess. Just to show through and not have a pretty chip bag. So there you go. It's a chip bag. Well, I'll run a little more glue in that corner, but basically there it is.